Instance widgets allows you to use the features that you knew during your activity. This video will show you how to select and add widgets. Hold menu button. Enter settings. Select widgets. Select the widget you want to add. Enter the widgets to reorder or remove. Start reordering your widget. Press the upper right button to finish the settings. Or select Add Widgets to add a new widget on your menu. Press the upper right button to finish adding the widget. Press up or down button on the main menu to view the widgets you just reordered and added.